The Marquette State Fish Hatchery in Chocolate Township raises about 730,000 fish every year to disperse into Michigan lakes and streams. TV6's Dan Giroux shows us that fresh fish will soon be ready to catch thanks to hatcheries such as this one.
The Marquette State Fish Hatchery in Chocolate Township is hard at work to stock Michigan's lakes and streams. This year, the cold winter has hurt the hatchery a little bit, but luckily their numbers or size haven't been affected.
It's prohibited earlier stockings. These fish are about a month older than we normally stock. We normally start stocking around middle of March.
Today, the hatchery is filling up 2 trucks with fish to send downstate to Thumb Lake. Each hatchery specializes in certain species that will be sent to lakes and rivers across the state.
It's easier to raise fish in large lots of one species and truck them to locations than to have a hatchery designated for multiple species.
The fish that are being relocated today have grown under the supervision of the DNR since October of 2012. When they first entered the hatchery, they were still eggs, and now they're on their way to lakes and streams across the state.
Fishing season is open, trout season is open. A lot of lakes are still frozen, but as soon as the water does warm up and melt, the ice melts, you'll have some very good fishing in our trout waters, trout lakes.
When all is said and done, the Upper Peninsula is expected to receive about 328,000 new fish into lakes and streams. While that's a good sign, you might want to wait for the lakes to thaw out first. In Chocolate Township, Dan Giroux, TV6 News.